Hello, I am Fiona Bryan of askacareerexpert.com. And I was in with a corporate client actually today. I was visiting the folks at Rogers Communications, and we were doing a workshop on career management, career development. And we were talking a lot about, there was about 30, 40 people between Toronto, Montreal, and Kingston. And we were talking a lot about topics on personal branding, career development, how to get ahead, how to get promotions, how to find sponsors and mentors and everything. Yet one of the topics that came up resonated with me on a little bit different note because there was a great question that went with it. It was the topic of leadership. And I'm going to say that there are many pieces to leadership. In fact, for many people, they find it confusing to know what a leader is. Is it a manager? Is it somebody that manages people? Or is it the fact that just because you manage people or you're in management, does that automatically make you a leader? And I don't believe that it does, because I think leadership is a number of things. One of the things is it's about asking great questions. And actually, one of the gentlemen from Kingston asked a great question. He asked me, once we got through talking and things like that, he asked me, what would be a good book on leadership? And I believe that leadership is inclusive of not only being able to lead others, but it's also being able to follow others. And so this book is one of the ones that I had suggested. It is called Leadership is Half the Story. It is a fresh look at fellowship, leadership, and collaboration. I believe they go all hand in hand. It's by the Hurwitzes, and it's called Leadership is Half the Story. Because I was reminded that there is a great YouTube video out there. It's probably 10 years old by now. However, it is about a crazy guy that is at a music festival, and he's on a grassy hillside while the music's playing, and he has jumped up and he is dancing like a madman. And he is having a great time, but everybody's looking at him sort of saying, okay, this is crazy. Until one more person joins him and starts dancing with him. And I guess my question to anybody and everybody is, who's the leader? Who's the true leader? Is it the guy that was the first crazy man dancing, or is it the second one who jumped up and joined him and ultimately got like 100 other people to join them? And they were all having a great time and everything. My opinion is, it's the second guy that showed true leadership. The first one was just having a great time. The second guy actually showed the leadership, and everybody joined in on him. So great book, great video. I will put it in the show notes. And if you like this video, please subscribe. I'm always trying to think of the questions that I'm asked during the course of my day in my private coaching practice. And subscribe, share, ask me questions. I'm happy to try and get some answers to you so that you can take full accountability and have some fun in your career. Thank you. I'm Fiona Bryan of askacareerexpert.com. Thanks.